YouTube. What's good, man? It's your boy Drew Cuts. It's my first YouTube video, and I don't know much about this stuff, but I have really good equipment. I'm a barber, 20-year-old barber from Chicago. That should have been the first thing I said, but I'm a 20-year-old barber from Chicago. I'll be 21 in May. I'm just starting to crank out a lot of videos and stuff. I like doing video editing. I love it. I love playing with computers and cameras and capturing things. So I thought this would be my next step in my journey. So yeah. So I cut hair. I color hair. I'm more than just a barber, you know. I'm trying to bring something else to the game, you know what I'm saying? Not just tutorials, cutting hair, not just looking at people cutting hair. I'm trying to bring in women's cuts. I'm trying to bring in men's cuts. I'm trying to bring in fading. I'm trying to bring in color. I'm trying to bring in facials and taking care of your skin and stuff. So it's not just cutting hair. It's not just being a barber or a hair cutter, so to say. It's more about just being an all-around hairstylist, barber stylist. And yeah, that's what this next generation of barbers is all about, man. I think that this next generation of barbers is really going to change the game with products, tools, editing, computer editing, a lot of stuff we're really about to just completely take over. So if you like my video, man, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm still figuring out this editing thing, so it's not the perfect video, you know. The audio in this video is not going to be great. I'm going to let you know that now, but I'm trying. I have to buy an adapter for my mic that goes on top of my camera and stuff, so the audio will get better with time. That should be coming in the mail soon, actually. So if you like that, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, you know how that goes. Alright, so to start, we have my Barber. My Barber Gold FX. I was actually gifted these by the man himself, Los Cut It, along with the barber grips. Not too long ago, all my equipment was stolen and stuff, so it was a huge gesture for him to come out and donate these to me. That's the clipper. Now, he also donated me the trimmer. Hitter, man. Hitter. There's not much to say about it. It's just fucking marvelous, bro. I mean, check that out, bro. You know? Whatever, bro, you know. Man, just snapping, man. Beautiful trimmer, man. Move on to my shaver. My shaver, you know, Gold FX shaver. Gorgeous, man. It comes with this beautiful top. Nice protector. And the nice thing is, if you turn it on and you just put the top on, it'll turn it off. On this side, you got the butter to release this, so you can clean your blades, clean out, you know, everything with your pool care or whatever you decide to use. Throw that back on there. Got a nice little loop right there to accommodate that, to turn off the thing. I just got a regular pair of Diane shoes right now because, like I said earlier, in this year, my tools were stolen and they stole all my nice shoes and stuff in school, but this is what I've been rocking with until I can afford something new. Fabulous barber grips, man. Hair grips. Got 3 different sizes right here. 3 different sizes, 1, 2, you know, or whatever. Then we got the guard set, man. 1.5 all the way through 6. It's nice. Usually nobody ever goes above a 6 and stuff, so that's nice or whatever. If I go down into my drawer here, you will see that I also have my Vibe FX massager. Got this for Christmas. My girl got it for me as a gift. Ooh, that thing is a monster, guys. This is it's not essential, but if you want to up your charges and your prices and stuff, this is a great tool to have. I got a bunch of different stuff, man. Some combs, my beads for when I'm cutting, you know. I got my ring light here. You know, basic newer ring light, 18-inch, pretty nice, man. that I do have my Canon Rebel T100. This is what I use to shoot all my videos, my first camera ever. It just, man, I'm telling you, this thing is amazing, guys. I love it, man. You know, I got a variety of different tools and products that I don't bring to school, just, you know, to save myself the hassle of carrying everything. But other than that, man, that's all my tools. Some of the products I have here are Cool Care, and this Cool Care. If you don't have Cool Care, you gotta have Clipicide. You don't got Clipicide, you gotta have the Babyliss Clipper Cleaner. You don't got the Babyliss Clipper Cleaner, you gotta have Marvicide. Whatever you clean your clippers, this is a main tool you need to clean your clippers. You must be clean and sanitary if you are in this industry. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you, man. You just that's a dirty barber, man. You can't be doing that. Clipper oil. They recommend that you oil your clippers before every cut, and I don't do that because I feel like it just makes a big old oily mess. I do it every day before I start cutting for the day, and usually that's enough to keep my clippers going. Got a little mix of aftershave. This is the Master Cannabis Sativa aftershave mixed with of alcohol, and that's just to clean up and the cut and stuff. On my Diane neck duster, pretty nice. Probably gonna get a different one, a nicer one and stuff. This is essential to put your blades in after you get done cleaning, get done with your cut and everything. Now we're gonna move on to my cape, the Louis Vuitton Barber cape. As you can see, it's like two razors put together to form the L view right here. And we got all the little patterns and stuff. Got a barber chair, school barber chair. We're up and down, does everything a barber chair needs to do. You know, they just turn it on its own once you bring it down. We back. That was my first YouTube video. And I hope you really liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. My Instagram handle will be at the end of this video, coming up like Star Wars, you know. So, you'll know what I mean when it comes up in this next clip. But yeah, man, all I gotta say is stay hydrated. Be nice. Be kind. And yeah, man, it's a whole different year. It's not 2020 no more. That's behind us. We have to make a change now. We have to be wearing a mask when you're in public. Stay 6 feet apart, you know. I know some people get annoyed by that, but we got to get it over with, man. We got to get this out of here so that we can continue to advance as humans and advance as a generation and stuff. So, yeah, like I said, thank you for watching the video. Thank you for rocking with me. This is my journey as a barber stylist. Yeah.